In this tutorial we will learn how to read the SD card text file, line by line. For this project you will need a LCD display I2C, SD card module, jumper wires, Arduino and Visuino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. To prepare the SD card, open a notepad or any other writing software on your computer and write it like this. Save it as a txt to the SD card and put the SD card to the SD card module. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add micro SD card module component. Add liquid crystal display LCD I2C component. Double-click on the SD card 1 component and in the Elements window drag File to the left side. Now on the left side of the Elements window select File 1, and in the Properties window set New Line to False, Path Name to Test txt, and select Elements and click on the three dots button. A new Elements window will open. Here drag 4, Read Text Line to the left side. Close both Elements windows. Select Liquid Crystal Display 1, and in the Properties window set the properties of your LCD. In our case the LCD is 20 by 4, so set columns to 20 and rows to 4. Add Start component. Connect Start 1 pin out to SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 1 pin clock. Connect Start 1 pin out to SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 2 pin clock. Connect Start 1 pin out to SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 3 pin clock. Connect Start 1 pin out to SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 4 pin clock. Connect SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 1 pin out to Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin in. Connect SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 2 pin out to Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin in. Connect SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 3 pin out to Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin in. Connect SD card 1 pin. Read Text Line 4 pin out to Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin in. Connect SD card 1 pin out SPI to Arduino pin SPI in. Connect SD card 1 pin chip select to Arduino digital pin 10. Connect Liquid Crystal Display 1 pin I2C out to Arduino pin I2C in. On the bottom click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.